we got all the piping here. So first step's gonna be removing the bumper. So we got some bolts and clips right here. We got a couple clips right here. And then obviously the same on this side. And then we got a splash guard that we got in the bottom of this meant to be removed. We got a bolt in there and a bolt over here. And that's pretty much it. So let me remove that and I'll get back to you guys. So the client was telling me he was having some issues. And I'm sure you guys can see right here the battery post terminal, however you guys want to call this, having some issues over here. Obviously rubbing. Well, there was a reason why he's rubbing as well too. There's actually a bolt missing for the motor mount. So that's also going to get fixed as well. And we're going to get all new piping. Alright, so now we got a couple bolts right here that we got to remove. Then we got to remove all the couplers, pipings, all this stuff, all the way to the intake. And install the new ETS piping and cooler. See you guys in a bit. They're moving, so we got some things going on. So that's why you probably see all this back here. It's a little bit dirty. I got the hatch out there. Got some stuff right there, as you can see. Got my crank, alternator, my block, B18C1, B16A head, oversized valves and all that good stuff from mount. Got stuff cleaned up. Got my piping, obviously my blow off valve. That is, I'll show you guys later on a different video what is left. Got the front mount mounted. Got this pipe routed in. It goes in here, goes up, and then there it is. Coupler, it goes right here. Blow off valve, goes right back to the intake. Now I just got left with one pipe that goes to the turbo from the intercooler. I only got one pipe left that goes from the intercooler to the turbo, and that should be it. Alright, as you see, we got the turbo inlet right there. Just gotta get this coupler real quick and slide it in. And that's pretty much it. Make sure it goes all the way to the top. Twist it to where I need it. Be right there. Switch this up. And we should be good. So I just gotta pull one more clamp. Okay, now we're buttoned up. Everything seems like it's bolted on. Now I gotta do one quick little check on all the couplers. Go all the way around. As I start putting everything back on, all the plastic pieces. Alright, I got the front crash bar on. I'm about to put the bumper on. And then go take for a spin and see how it does. Alright, so we got the bumper on. Looks pretty good. You got a 10mm, we got two clips right there. Can't even see it, it's a little bit dark. But if I do get my light, you be able to see the clip there. Clip, boom. I need to push that clip in a little bit more. And then all the clips at the very bottom. And then the same, 110mm, two clips, and pretty much it. Now we go for the test drive and see how it runs. Damn, that looks good. I gotta buff off the lights real quick when I come back. I probably did actually tomorrow morning I believe. Buff that and buff that. And the spark plugs, total packs in the morning, it was pretty good.